If you are a newbie in Amazon wholesale FBA business, there is a high chance that you are about to be scammed by fake distributors websites. Hi folks, I hope you guys are doing great. Today we will find out how we can identify these fake websites. So once you place an order, the payment is deducted from your card, but your order never gets processed. You keep chasing them but they will never answer you back. But yes, we can fix this by following some simple precautionary steps. Step number 1. You should always work with brands authorized distributors. Most of the brands have a list of their distributors on their websites, like this one. Here you can find the authorized distributor of this particular brand. The benefit of this is you are going to find many more brands from this distributor's site. So yeah, this will be a win-win situation if you are working with an authorized distributor. In case you can't find any information on the brand's website, you can either call them or email them and ask for the list of their authorized distributors. Before working with any distributor, you can check their ratings on Google or various platforms like Watchlist, Internet, Website Informer, Trusted Reviews, and Scam Advisor, etc. Step number 3 is you can examine the website by yourself. If a phone number is available on the home page, you can call them, and if they pick up and answer your call, then you can proceed. It means that they have a customer support staff on board. Otherwise, you should not proceed. And it's a plus if there is a valid business address available on their website. Website should be registered with a proper domain name like .com, .co.uk. For example, in this case, the website is using an uncommon domain name. This is a fake site. You should not proceed. The website domain should not end with index.php. These sites are built in bulk on a software called OpenCart. Most of these are used for fraudulent activities. Mostly these sites are offering free shipping over $40 or 33 pounds. I'm not saying that all those websites which are offering free shipping over $40 are fake. It's just one of the signs mentioned before. They have attached a Walmart payment method to take payments, but the order never gets processed. After all, if you feel anything catchy in a website, you can place a small order first. If everything goes well, then you are good to go with a big order. Otherwise, you just save yourself from a big scam. Hope that helps. Be kind and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.